I am grateful to Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, respected Yediyurappa ji, Bommai ji, and Chief Secretary of Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Secretary of Irrigation, and all the senior officers of Karnataka State. Honorable Murugeshwaram, Honorable Minister. Last 50 minutes and yesterday our official both the sides teams under the guidance of Secretary of Irrigation and Secretary of Irrigation, both the states, have discussed a lot of issues between Karnataka and Maharashtra. This will lead to a better understanding between both the states. Main issue is the flood mitigation, and we have experience of 2019 floods. Thereafter, last year between the Karnataka state and Maharashtra, there was a very good understanding, and monitoring was very good. So less impact of flood was experienced by both the states. This today's meeting, I think we have gone a step ahead for better understanding between both the states, and we have decided, as Maharashtra is already having real-time data acquisition system in Krishna Basin, similar system will be extended in Karnataka up to Narayanpur Dam. That will make entire Krishna Basin more effective, and we need to dynamically manage Almaty water height, Almaty Dam, and Maharashtra's water flowing into Almaty Dam. If this is dynamically monitored and managed, I think we will be able to overcome flood situation effectively. Already today, since last 24 hours, there is a lot of rainfall in Kolhapur district and some parts of Sangli district, and we have already started experiencing the floods. So is the situation in few rivers in Karnataka. So dynamically real-time data management, if takes place, we will be able to effectively manage both the states' flood situation. Today's meeting, I am thankful to Honorable Chief Minister. He has spared his time, and Bommai ji, who was very helpful for all the discussion, which has taken us to a step ahead in mitigation of floods in both the states. I am sure that this season and every year, the management between both the states will be more effective. The real-time data acquisition is one thing. Then at the same time, we have today is the ministerial level committee which is taking place. Last year we had a meeting on 8th of July in 2020 in Mumbai, where Honorable then Minister for Irrigation and Secretary Irrigation had visited Mumbai. There we had decided that we will have coordination committee meeting at the engineers level in both the regions. Then we will have secretarial level meeting, and then ministerial level meeting will take place. So these two meetings have taken place. Today is the third meeting, and we have a better understanding as far as the water management of Krishna Valley is concerned. I hope this understanding grows, and of course Honorable Chief Minister has mentioned about Doodh Ganga. So Doodh Ganga, Maharashtra will also provide enough of funds for completion of Doodh Ganga Dam, so that Karnataka state also and Maharashtra state also farmers are benefited at the earliest. So we again thank Honorable Chief Minister for sparing his precious time for this Krishna River Basin management. Thank you. बेंगलोर इथे आज कर्नाटकचे मुख्यमंत्री येडियुरप्पा व त्यांचे अन्य मंत्री व सचिव, मुख्य सचिव आणि जलसंपदा विभागाचे सचिव यांच्याशी चर्चा करण्यासाठी बेंगलोर येथे आज सकाळी बैठक झाली. कृष्णा व भीमा नद्यांच्या संदर्भात येणाऱ्या काळामध्ये पुराचं नियंत्रण कशा पद्धतीने करायचं आणि त्यात कोणत्या पद्धतीने दोन्ही राज्यांनी समन्वय ठेवायचा याची चर्चा या बैठकीत झाली. विशेषतः महाराष्ट्राने रिअल टाईम डाटा ॲक्विजिशनची सिस्टीम बसवलेली आहे, परंतु कर्नाटकने अजून बसवलेली नाही. त्यांनी ती बसवावी आणि अलमट्टीच्या पुढे नारायणपूरची सिस्टीम तयार जर झाली तर एकत्रितच अलमट्टीची डायनॅमिकली लेवल कंट्रोल करणं शक्य होईल आणि एकंदर येणारा त्या अलमट्टी धरणातला येवा आणि पुढे जाणारा येवा आणि महाराष्ट्रातला पडणारा पाऊस या सगळ्यावर डायनॅमिकली आपण जर कंट्रोल ठेवला तर मग कुठून किती पाणी सोडायचं आणि कोणत्या धरणात किती लेवल ठेवायची आणि खास करून अलमट्टीची याच्यावर चांगलं नियंत्रण ठेवता येईल अशी चर्चा झाली. मला खात्री आहे की येणाऱ्या आलेल्या पावसाळ्यात आणि पुढे देखील या पद्धतीत अधिक सुधारणा होत जाईल. या वर्षीच्या पावसाळ्याची येणाऱ्या संभाव्य पुराची येईलच असं नाही, पण जर आलाच पूर तर कर्नाटक आणि महाराष्ट्राचा समन्वय चांगल्या पद्धतीने साधण्यासाठी आजची बैठक उपयोगी ठरेल असा मला विश्वास आहे.